Amsterdam. It's a city that seeps into your soul, a place that captivates you from the moment you arrive. The gentle lapping of the water against the canal walls, the soft hum of bicycles whizzing by, and the distant chatter of people enjoying a leisurely day out. These sounds become the soundtrack of your visit, a place that stays with you long after you've left its cobblestone streets. Each step you take on these ancient paths feels like a journey back in time, where every corner has a story to tell. The buildings, with their gabled facades and intricate details, whisper tales of a rich and storied past. This isn't your typical European postcard city. It's a living, breathing entity that evolves with each passing day. The neighborhoods, each with their own distinct character, offer a glimpse into the daily lives of the locals. From the bohemian vibes of Jordaan to the artistic flair of Pijp, there's a unique charm in every district. Amsterdam is raw, honest, and unapologetically itself. The markets, bustling with activity, showcase the city's vibrant culture. Here, you can find everything from fresh produce to handmade crafts, each stall a testament to the city's creativity and spirit. It's a city of contrasts, where canals reflect centuries-old history while a vibrant, modern energy pulses through its veins. The juxtaposition of the old and the new is evident everywhere you look. Historic buildings stand proudly next to contemporary structures, creating a harmonious blend of past and present. I've been lucky enough to explore many corners of this world, and let me tell you, Amsterdam is an experience unlike any other. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of its art, the richness of its history, and the warmth of its people. Whether you're wandering through the halls of the Rijksmuseum, enjoying a peaceful moment in Vondelpark, or simply sipping coffee at a quaint cafe, Amsterdam leaves an indelible mark on your heart. It's a city that invites you to slow down, to savor each moment, and to truly immerse yourself in its unique rhythm. So come and experience Amsterdam for yourself. Let it get under your skin, and you'll find that it's a place you'll never forget. You can't talk about Amsterdam without mentioning its iconic canals. They're the lifeblood of the city, reflecting its unique character. A boat tour is a must. Glide along the water, taking in the charming canal houses, each with its own story to tell. Look for the wonky facades. Legend has it, they were built leaning forward to avoid taxes. Whether it's true or not, it adds to the city's charm. Everyone knows about the red light district, but Amsterdam's heart beats in its neighborhoods. Take Jordaan, for example. This former working-class district is now a haven for artists and creatives. Wander down its narrow streets, duck into independent boutiques, vintage shops, and art galleries. Grab a coffee at a sidewalk cafe and soak up the local vibe. Want to escape the tourist traps? Head to the neighborhood of Pijp. This vibrant area is a melting pot of cultures and cuisines. Here you'll find the Pijp market, a feast for the senses. From fresh produce to street food, it's a sensory overload in the best possible way. This is where locals shop, eat, and live. It's the real Amsterdam. A night at Pijp, food, music, and unexpected encounters. This vibrant neighborhood in Amsterdam is known for its eclectic mix of cultures and its lively atmosphere. As the sun sets, the streets begin to buzz with energy, and the air is filled with the tantalizing aromas of various cuisines. As the sun sets, Pijp comes alive. The golden hues of the sunset cast a warm glow over the historic buildings, creating a picturesque scene that is both enchanting and inviting. The streets are lined with an array of cafes, bars, and restaurants, each offering a unique experience. Small cafes transform into lively bars. As the evening progresses, the quiet cafes where people enjoyed their afternoon coffee and pastries begin to morph into bustling bars. The lights dim, the music gets louder, and the atmosphere becomes electric. People from all walks of life gather to enjoy the vibrant nightlife. Live music spills out onto the streets. Talented musicians set up on street corners and in front of cafes, filling the air with melodies that range from jazz to rock to traditional Dutch folk music. The sound of live music creates a festive ambiance that draws people in and encourages them to dance and sing along. This neighborhood is all about enjoying the simple things in life. Good food, good company, and good conversation. Friends gather around tables laden with delicious dishes, sharing stories and laughter. The food here is a reflection of the diverse community, with options ranging from traditional Dutch fare to exotic international cuisines. You never know who you might meet here. Maybe a local musician, a struggling artist, or a passionate chef. The creative energy in Pijp is palpable, and it's not uncommon to strike up a conversation with someone who has an interesting story to tell, or a fellow traveler with a story to tell. Pijp attracts people from all over the world, and the exchange of cultures and experiences is one of the things that makes this neighborhood so special. Whether you're a local or a visitor, there's always something new to discover and someone new to meet. That's the beauty of Pijp. It's a place where the old and the new blend seamlessly, where tradition meets innovation, and where every night is an adventure. So come, explore, and let the magic of Pijp captivate you. The flavors of Amsterdam beyond stroopwafels. While the iconic stroopwafel, with its gooey caramel center and crispy waffle exterior, is a must-try, the city's culinary offerings extend far beyond this sweet treat. Sure, you've got to try a stroopwafel when in Amsterdam, but don't stop there. The city is a melting pot of cultures, and this is reflected in its diverse food scene. From street food to fine dining, Amsterdam has something to tantalize every palate. The city's culinary scene is as diverse as its inhabitants. Wander through the bustling food markets, and you'll find an array of international cuisines. Whether you're in the mood for Italian pasta, Japanese sushi, or Middle Eastern falafel, Amsterdam's food markets have it all. For a taste of local life, try a bruja herring, raw herring sandwich from a street vendor. It's a local delicacy that might seem unusual to some, but it's a beloved snack for many Amsterdammers. The combination of raw herring, onions, and pickles creates a unique flavor experience that you won't forget. And if you're feeling adventurous, seek out Surinamese cuisine in the Pijp. This vibrant neighborhood is home to a variety of Surinamese restaurants, offering dishes that are rich in flavor and history. Surinamese cuisine is a fusion of African, Indian, Javanese, and Chinese influences, making it a true culinary adventure. The spicy flavors are a welcome change from traditional Dutch fare. Try dishes like roti, a flatbread served with curried chicken or vegetables, or palm, a hearty casserole made with chicken and root vegetables. The bold spices and unique combinations will leave your taste buds dancing. Another must-try is Indonesian cuisine, a testament to the historical ties between the Netherlands and Indonesia. The rice tafel, or rice table, is a feast of small dishes that showcase the rich and varied flavors of Indonesian cooking. From spicy sambals to savory sautés, each dish offers a new taste sensation. And let's not forget the cheese. Amsterdam is a cheese lover's paradise, with shops offering a wide range of Dutch cheeses. Sample Gouda, Edam, and Leyden, each with its own distinct flavor and texture. Pair your cheese with a glass of local beer or wine for the perfect culinary experience. Whether you're dining at a canal-side cafe or exploring the city's vibrant neighborhoods, Amsterdam's food scene is sure to impress. So, go beyond the stroopwafel and discover the rich tapestry of flavors that this city has to offer. Amsterdam's quirks. Did you know? Amsterdam is a city full of quirks. Did you know that Amsterdam has more canals than Venice, and more bikes than people? It's true. In fact, cycling is a way of life here. Don't be surprised to see businessmen in suits and mothers with children in tow, all navigating the city on two wheels. Just be sure to watch out for trams. Must see Anne Frank House and a glimpse into history. No trip to Amsterdam is complete without a visit to the Anne Frank House. This poignant museum offers a glimpse into a dark chapter in history. Anne Frank's story, documented in her diary while hiding from the Nazis, is a stark reminder of the importance of tolerance and understanding. It's a sobering experience, but an important one. When to experience Amsterdam's magic. Amsterdam is a city for all seasons. Spring brings tulips in bloom at the Keukenhof Gardens. Summer is perfect for canal-side picnics and outdoor concerts. Autumn paints the city in hues of gold and red, and winter brings cozy cafes and Christmas markets. Whenever you choose to go, Amsterdam will welcome you with open arms. Your Amsterdam adventure awaits. Amsterdam is more than just a city, it's a feeling. It's the freedom to be yourself, the thrill of discovery, and the joy of connecting with people from all walks of life. So what are you waiting for? Book that ticket, pack your bags, and get ready to experience the magic of Amsterdam for yourself. You won't regret it.